14, I was really on that mode. When they run up on me, I didn't even fold. Had that squabble it out, you better not hit the floor. It's not that janky nigga that takes everything like it's gold. Then my real first holiday at 13 piece, I started snatching them when it was gold. Happy to look at him, so that was by my side. He be sending me signs. I have too much shit that I can't even leave behind. I was in the ankle monitor, thirsty for it 211. We hop out, we for sure go get you, better not run, so I'ma aim for the head. I should say some bologna with a couple of bread. Didn't have nothing in my place, so I won't hit the field. I'm chasing the back, cause this shit is for real. Those days I was gluttony, didn't have no meal. I'm smacking into it, hope that fighting the deal. I'm wearing my true religion belt so y'all can see how it feels.